You're manifesting daily, but nothing is changing. Let me tell you why this gap happens and how to actually change it. Coming from someone who struggled with manifestation for years, but I found a few hidden gems that worked for me that could work for you. Number one, you're probably trapped in the ego's pattern of perfectionism. You're thinking and obsessing too much about manifestation to the point where your ego tells you need to be enlightened enough, you have to be conscious or spiritual enough to someday in the future, once you acquire so much knowledge about manifestation and all of these other things, then you'll be good enough to manifest and receive what you actually want. But what if you just had to give yourself the permission to accept and love yourself enough to know that you're worthy of everything that you desire here and now? What if you sit with this freaking realization that I'm sharing with you now and you let it explode your entire body, your mind, your heart? Because what you're really looking for is permission. You do not need to manifest more. You do not need more manifestation information. That's all living in the head in fear, in lack, in scarcity. Even if you are successful, even if you are an entrepreneur or a leader or a coach, even if you're doing great work, if you keep believing that lie that you need more in order to be more, you'll always be trapped in a reality where you manifest less than you deserve. And I don't want that for you. So please stop the addiction, stop the doing, stop thinking you need to become more to be worthy of what you want, and start claiming and shifting your identity into being the one. I've shared this with myself and my clients, and it's literally made them hundreds of thousands of dollars in their business, in their peace of mind, and more importantly, in the way that they lead themselves. You know how important it is for you to show up into every room, into every conversation, into every sales call without needing to be liked, to be externally validated, and to just be you, to just be oozing that natural badass FU frequency that you have. Come back from the spiritual manifestation realm into balance. Maybe you've gone too much into the light, into love and light and manifestation. You need to come back to balance. Or maybe you've been a hyper ultra achiever that's been stuck only on doing, and you need to come back to balance. It's not only love, it's not only power, it's the balance of love and power now. And to believe so deeply in your frequency that you don't even care about manifesting anymore. Give all the power back to you, to your state of being, and give yourself freaking permission to operate and live in the frequency of the now. Stop thinking about fuck you money or your dream reality and start thinking about fuck you frequency. And start being that now. Don't be an asshole. That's only power. Blend love and power. And I promise you that your manifestations will come to you. But they won't make you happy. So give yourself that happiness first. And if you need a little bit of help identifying that invisible block or blind spot in your business, then maybe I can help, and you can check the link below. Apart from that, have an insane day and start asking yourself the question, how can I live as the one now and every day? Let me know if that helps. Cheers.